Hi guys, thanks for joining me for another unbox. On today's video we're going to be looking at the power bank voice activated voice recorder, the Q905. Let's go ahead, we'll open the box and then we'll dip into how to get it activated and working. So inside the box with the Q905 we have our instruction sheet, we have our power bank voice recorder, and we have our USB charge cable. So pretty simple little getup. What we're going to go ahead and do now is I'm going to get you to come around and I'll show you how to activate the unit, how to turn the flashlight on, and how to check its charge level. Alright guys, so what I'm going to show you first is the output, so how to charge your phone. So we're going to go ahead, grab our USB cable, and we're just going to plug it into the USB port here. So this is your charging in port and this is your out port. So we're going to go ahead, plug the USB cable in. We're then going to go ahead and grab our micro USB end and plug it into our phone. So just going to turn that around, plug it in, and then I'm going to hold the power button down for a second or two. And as you can see, it starts charging straight away. So to activate or deactivate the charging, you just hold down that power button. So again, if I hold it down again, it'll turn off. And then we're good to go. The little lights on the top of it, I'll just turn the unit around for you so you can see. So there are these four little dots up here and they indicate your battery percentage, 100, 75, 50 and 25%. To activate the voice recording side of things, what you need to do is you need to press the button twice and then hold it down once. So it's click, click, hold, and then a little red light should appear for about 3 seconds, just there. And now it's in voice activated mode. So you could essentially leave this unit in a drawer, in your office, anywhere, and be able to record said conversations. It will have that little blue flashing light on it, so do be aware of that. That means it's working. To deactivate the unit, we simply press the button 4 times and then hold it down once. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, hold, and then the red light should flash 3 times, and that indicates that the recording has now been stopped. That's pretty much all there is to it, guys. To activate and deactivate the flashlight, you just press the power button for a second and it turns on or off. What we're going to go ahead and do now is do some audio tests, and I'll show you the text file that you can edit on the unit, so you can adjust certain settings and have it scheduled time if you wanted to or anything like that. Alright guys, so here we are with the Q905. I've just plugged into my PC here. You can see it shows up as USB disk F. These 2 highlighter files, so 2019-08-21 and 22, are the recorded files that we've been conducting the tests with and having a play with over the last couple of days. To alter any of the parameters of the unit, if you go to the record text file, so make sure if you do update any of these settings that you change the N at the top here to a Y, hit save, and then make sure you hit exit if you do change any of them. So as you can see, you can alter specific recording times and parameters on the days, so Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Voice quality, you can adjust the record time, so every time it's activated, if it hears nothing, it'll just turn off after 3 minutes, which I think is a pretty good setting. Your voice control sensitivities will allow for pitch adjustments, so if you wanted to change that, you could change it to like 25. It would have to be a deeper tone then for it to activate. And then if we want to save it, we just go File, Save, and File, Exit. And now if we go back into it, see it's all saved. So it's pretty simple if you do want to modify that sort of stuff. Most of those settings are as they were from the factory. The only thing that I did adjust prior to this little video was the time and date, obviously. So we'll just adjust that again. 08-22 at 15:48. So that's all there is to it, guys. Thanks for joining us, guys. As always, don't hesitate to shoot us an email, support@thespystore.com.au, or give us a call if you have any questions or queries regarding any of our products.